famies, yay, and welcome back to this video. I hope you are well and in good health. Don't forget that we are just a South African food content YouTube channel, and we cook what we have in our homes. Once more, we try and fail, but however we never fail to try. Okay, so keep cooking until you become a pro in cooking. So without any waste of time, famies, today we are cooking rice with raisins. You don't know it. We're gonna learn today rice with raisins and mayo, chicken and broccoli. The 2Ks, they call it broccoli. I call it broccoli. All right. You saw that I boiled my rice. I boiled water. And then unfortunately, shame you are not seeing the other part of the video because, this video was taken, I think 2 years ago. I don't know. Yeah, it's a very old video. So yeah, we're still learning how to do content. We are still learning. If you want to be successful in this life, Femi, please make sure that you are a learner and a consistent learner. We never say we are done learning. Okay, my broccoli is frozen. Obviously, I want to better. I'm just joking. So broccoli shile mboncha mawaza. Okay, another thing, I don't like frozen broccoli, but then we can't throw food away. We don't throw food, right? So ke nna mola imo sebeshong imo molong broccoli ela ya modimo imo molong e ya re e ya gaba e ya gagatha tshwana le wena ba o gabagabisha ba sa o botse nnete. Ba sa o botse nnete ra o apa ona mo go beile ba no gabagabisha ngwana modimo. Oh Jesu, it's a jwang. I'm chopping carrots, chopping carrots. Already I cleaned the outside or the outer part of our carrot. Oh, sorry man. Today, this video is showcasing brands. Disclaimer, we are not in any partnership. So it just happened that today they appeared. Okay, and again, as I'm talking and preparing, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. At least if you can't subscribe, like the video. If you can't you don't want to like the video, at least comment or share, or you know what I mean. So on the other part, there's chicken. I've already seasoned it with my favorite spices. I just put a little bit of aromat for saltiness. Let's today if you're a regular, you know that we don't like salt. And or rishimisha matswai. I said what I said, and I was joking. Please be gentle. My brother, my sister, I beg you. You know what I mean. So okay, now let me teach you something. There's a difference between cooking chicken with water and with a little bit of oil. Try it at home. Even the texture, I don't know if chicken has a texture or what. I don't know. It's not the same. A boiled chicken differs way too much from chicken. Try it at home. You will see what I'm talking about, and you will never want to eat a boiled chicken ever. You try it first. You cooked it first with oil. Then you can put water after, the same way that I'm doing. Yes, with a low heat, obviously, because we're not about to burn things. The same way that you will not want to burn bridges, okay? Sharp. But when it comes to relationship, child, you can burn bridges because you ain't about to take along the history into your new life. Unless if you have an offspring with that particular person. If there's no offspring, fly high like an eagle. So you number like a chela, crushed chili garlic. Sometimes you have to eat and have like yes, that kind of a feeling. So the other pot has rice, as I've indicated that today we are cooking rice with raisins and mayo. Yeah, don't worry. Rice, the yellow rice. We are used to a normal rice. Today I'm gonna teach you a very, very nice rice that bona it doesn't need your lot of things, your beetroots, your all those drama. Okay, I just washed it over, off camera, because rice hey ke tlhatswa rice. Okay, chicken le yona ya re ya chicken ya ka kwa tsa ke ya bujwa ya mpontshora wa pele ke gore ya morago ke gore tswang. So ke a re ke a phetola ke re le ge se tlo phetola he lena le tara le di sha gudu YouTube ya yang red flag. Anyway, ireki zibambe nto yakho bareng Zulus, please help with the song zibambe. So ke mola ke a itlhakantsha wa go tle ga botse iyavuma chicken iyalumela. It's allowing us to take over, right? Yes. Now off camera again. Okay, let me show you. The video is not cooperating, but it is fine. I'll show you next time. Like I'm saying, this content was taken long ago, I think in 2021. And yeah, now it's 2024, so you can imagine. Yes, now what I did, this is the tricky part, or this is the rice I wanted to show you. You bought your raisins, put raisins, a little bit of mayonnaise, tangy mayonnaise, and a little bit of milk. My sissy, this rice, if you get married, my brother, my sister, if you get married and you cook your in-law this rice, hey, they will never forget you. So famies, make sure that you also chop a little bit of red onion to give it a little bit of color and a little bit of when you eat. You see, this is the rice. Emanyana, try it. Okay, not everyone likes it, but I like it. It's very nice. Then we are done. Kibela go tuko. Yeah, kibela go tuko ready ke mola nna ke feretla nama. That's like your content. Bona lo bona re ke diranga le bone mara tla loka. Ke feretla nama shile butswitse chicken ya ka ena la mosopo nyana ka mo gare na le sopa ke re tsentse re jo sopo. Ka stopela o ja dinama ke bola ke ntho ke gwait. Ntse tse tlungwe tsena ma we fe break o no ja nyana ka sopo chele sopo. Besides a kra rda ke le butse ka rda ke dia content bishonyela ke lapile le ditsebe. Okay, mola re feditse wa peya yo broccoli le ka re ke over boilile. Not over boiled, broccoli frozen so aina mekgwa tshwana le ngwana la o segadiwe ka hae, but it is fun ke ta ilukisha tabai. So shile rice la rena ba le di raisins monato le mo a ke so bone. Anyway, thank you very much for watching famies. I hope you stay blessed, and if you have children, I bless your children. May God bless you. May God bless your hustle. If you're in business, may God remember your effort. If you're working, may God bless your hands that you may be productive. Now please don't forget to like this video. If you can't like it, please subscribe. If you can't subscribe, at least comment or share. Until we meet again, I love you famies, and stay